What's up YouTube, it's Alexander789 here. Once again with a bike check because my last one was pretty dark and I didn't really show you my bike properly. So yeah, I'm going to start off here. The front, the only change since last time is these grips. I've got proper bike co-grips. They're red, mushroom grips, nice and comfy. Same Odyssey power ends. Sliding bars, chromed off front, salt stem, Odyssey race forks V2 with one of the stickers taken off and a couple of scratches. G-Sport marmoset front hub, Odyssey hazard light with a fit fast 2.25. My frame is a terrible one, Rubin Atlantica frame. Oh yeah, my headset, the Odyssey headset, same headset. The frame length's 21 inch top tube. It's got integrated seat clamp. That's Mike Aitken Odyssey wolf seat with a rip in it, that's why it's got this tape on it. Some seat pole. It doesn't make a difference. Stop cranks, a gusset Spanish BB 19mm, yes, stop cranks. Odyssey twisted PC pedals in the root beer collar, clear plastic with the white end cap things. I like them, it's been nice. Same sprocket I've been running for ages. Mankind 28 tooth. Shadow Conspiracy V2 interlock chain with one yellow link, because I'm just that pro. Odyssey V3 cassette, lace to another hazard light, blue anodized. G-Sport marmoset hub guard for when I'm on pegs. With an Odyssey pass tunnel. What is it? Where does it say? Oh, 2.1. And yeah, that's it, basically. My bike check. Thanks for watching, peace. Peace, subscribe, comment, rate, whatever. Down there, comment, like, and shit. This is Alexander789 123 out.